Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Changelly. Changelly is a crypto for crypto exchange, allowing you to buy cryptocurrencies that you may not be able to get on your regular exchange. Changelly also has a service to allow you to buy crypto with a credit card or debit card. So first I'll go over that and then I'll go over the crypto to crypto exchange. So let's move over to this one. So I'll be using Bitcoin as an example. So to purchase Bitcoin on Changelly, the minimum amount to buy is $50 worth, and there's a 5% Changelly fee and a 5% Simplex fee. So there's a total of 10% of a fee. So when I entered in $50, it told me I would receive around $36.36 worth of Bitcoin, as the 10% fee on $50 would obviously be $10, and the rest would most likely come from a spread, as you would probably be paying for the Bitcoin at a higher price than what it actually is currently at, which usually happens at crypto ATMs, like at least for Coinstar machines, for CoinMe. So that ended up being around $3.64 for the spread. So I definitely do not recommend buying Bitcoin with their debit card service, although they do have less KYC compared to most exchanges. So if you care more about your privacy and personal information being safe, then this is a option for you. But there is other ways to buy Bitcoin more privately and possibly get better deals with the price on the price and also the fees. All right. So now we're gonna move on to the actual exchange. So we're going to go over to here. All right, so you can choose which crypto you want to input and which ones you want to receive from it. So make sure you have a wallet that supports the crypto you receive from Changelly, as they will not hold it for you. So you can choose between a floating rate and a fixed rate. So I always check to see which gives me the most out of my money, even though it's usually pretty slight, doesn't matter too much, but might as well if you can. So the crypto to crypto exchange also has fees, but a lot lower. So the floating rate has a fee of 0.25%, which is right here, which is it says it's included in the amount you receive. So there's also a network fee too, but that depends on the network, the crypto you are choosing to buy and also swap and all of that. So there's also fixed rates, and they don't include a network fee or exchange fee. Although it is possible for it to give less crypto out of it, meaning it might end up being around the same either way if you paid fees or not. Like they may just say there's no fees, but really there is, or something like that. So for exchanging Bitcoin, for at least specifically Bitcoin Cash, the floating minimum is $17.08, so $17.08 to buy now, or to exchange. So while the fixed rate is around $45.54. So if you're going to do the fixed rate, you have to at least have a minimum of $45.54 worth of Bitcoin to exchange for Bitcoin Cash. So the fixed rate has a way higher minimum. Floating rate has a way lower minimum. But as you can see, there's an exchange fee, network fee, depending which network you're using. Like Ethereum is also different. Your estimated arrival. You go over to fixed rate. See, now it needs this number right here. And this is all it says right here for transaction details, just estimated arrival and fixed rates. But as you see, wait 1 second. As you can see, the floating rate, so that's what, 0.202, 0.203. So you get approximately this higher amount, but then there's a network fee also. So it might end up being around the same. It's really up to you to figure that out, of rather you want to do a floating rate or fixed rate. If you only need to buy a little bit of altcoin, then just do a floating rate, because you get a way lower minimum to be able to exchange. So Changelly also has a mobile app that's very simple and easy to use. I've used their website for crypto to crypto exchange. I can show you guys right here. I bought MCO with Changelly. I've also used their mobile app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what your opinion is on Changelly. Do you think it's worth it? Do you like their debit card service or not? I don't think anyone really would, but I mean, they have it as an option. It's nice to have options even if they're not the greatest.
Also, let me know what you think about their crypto to crypto exchange. If the fees are too high, or you don't like like if it's you rather you prefer things like Kyber Swap instead, like more decentralized exchanges. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.